Welcome to the Oklahoma State Fair. Thank you so much for joining us on another adventure. In today's video, we try some of the unique food that the State Fair has to offer.
Apparently it's a rattlesnake corn dog. A rattlesnake nachos.
We also check out some of the events, which just also happens to include a lady who stands on 2 horses jumping over fire. A frontier experience complete with blacksmithing, woodworking and whittling, and even some live music. We also made a point not to miss the Great American Pig Races, as well as the Puppies of Penzance, the Pirate Puppy Show. We hope you enjoy our video and your glimpse at the Oklahoma State Fair. The Oklahoma State Fair takes place in the capital, Oklahoma City. In 1889, just 5 months after the Oklahoma Land Run, Oklahoma City started staging its own fairs and expositions. Nowadays, the Oklahoma State Fair usually runs mid to late September and takes place over the course of 10 days. In hopes of beating the heat and the crowds, we made sure to be there when the gates opened for the day. With our entrance tickets purchased and a map of the State Fair in hand, we were ready to go explore. Our first stop was the Frontier Experience.
Easy, Rummy. Easy. Woo! That got a little close. And whoa. Oh, down. Good.
You see here is what they call a dog hammer. That's a Japanese style hammer. This is an American style hammer. It's called a crossbeam. And this one's a Swiss.
Our next stop was the Great American Pig Races.
And these are our pig races. Before we can get to this life-changing experience, our little piggies need to know that you are out here cheering them on and rooting for them. Because the louder you guys yell and scream and hoot and holler, the faster our little pigs are going to race. I'm sure you want to know who you're cheering on, right? So our first race, we are headed down to Jurassic Park. And these are our fastest swinosaurs. This little lady is large and in charge. Give it up for the Triceratops. Green team, coming on down to your racer. The only pig out here that can actually fly. You have the piggy dactyl for the green team. Blue team, you are cheering on our smallest and most clever girl today. You have Blue, the Velociporker for the blue team. And that leaves us with our red racer, the biggest, baddest racer out here today. You've got the P-Rex for the red team. All right, folks, now I want to remind you that the louder you are, the faster your racers will go.
Critters, start your engine.
To our racers and our team leaders, may the pork be with you. Red team will start off with your racer. You are cheering on the fastest pig in the galaxy. Give it up for Ham Solo. Green team, coming on down to your racer. He is leading the rebellion all the way to the finish line. You have Luke Swinewalker for the green team. Orange team leader, you are cheering on our fuzziest piggy out here today. Sometimes you just gotta let the Wookiee win. Give it up for Chewy Bacon for the orange team. Our blue racer. Folks, we cannot have a light side of the force without the dark. Yes, you are cheering on the Dark Lord. Give it up for Darth Porker for the blue team. So one time it's okay to cheer on the bad guy, all right? Now, I want to remind you again, the louder you are, the faster your races are gonna go. So what do y'all say? Who wins this one?
I'll leave a link above if you're interested in watching the rest of the pig races, or their gas car event where they race multiple species. Most fairs nowadays seem to be getting known for the different varieties of foods that they offer. The Oklahoma State Fair definitely had a variety of foods to choose from, and just about anything deep fried. If you could deep fry it, I'm sure they had it. We were in search of something truly unique, something neither Tarah nor I had ever tried before, and the Oklahoma food vendors did not disappoint. We found exactly what we were looking for.
Can I please get snake bite nachos and a rattlesnake corn dog, please?
Avocado salsa on top?
Yes, please.
You said a rattlesnake corn dog. Yes, right down on this.
You want the avocado salsa on there too? Yes, please.
Yeah, let's go for it. Oh, Tarah? Tarah, why don't you tell everybody what we got today?
Apparently it's a rattlesnake corn dog.
Oh,
Should be interesting.
let's see it.
Good.
What does it taste like?
It's kind of sweet.
What's inside of it? What are you about to try, Angie?
So this is apparently rattlesnake nachos. See? This looks like a good piece.
Looks
The other
pretty.
rattlesnake pieces. It's pretty good.
We had some free time before the next show started, so we took a wander through the exhibition area. There was many different competitions on display, as well as some beautiful handcrafted arts. There was even a self-playing piano. On our way to the next show, the Puppies of Penzance, we stopped to grab a quick snack from the Nutty Sisters.
Ahoy, ladies! And welcome to the Puppies of Penzance Pirate Puppy Show. I'm Captain Carolyn, and these are my 4 fabulous pups, and the one other one. Hold on a minute. Hey, Bonkers. Bonkers, speak. No, speak. It's just the level of training you can hope to see here. Now, we invite you to voyage with us on a trip full of tricks, treats, treasure, and sometimes trouble.
Thank you for joining us as we explored Oklahoma State Fair. We enjoyed giving you all just a glimpse of the many things it has to offer.